precision measurement just took a massive leap forward. If you are looking to upgrade your lab bench, you will want to hear this. Welcome to the audio blog by SOS Electronic. We bring you the latest technical insights and solutions from the world of electronic components. Today, we're diving into measurement efficiency. Redefined, expand your measurement horizons with the Rohde Schwarz UDS Series multimeters. Many of us well remember the popular Rohde Schwarz HMC 8012, a tool loved for its versatility. Well, the new models in the UDS compact digital multimeter family are built to succeed it, offering a significant boost in performance. Let us look at what makes this new series a standout. It beautifully balances high-precision specifications with practical, real-world usability. Martin Brestovich, a product manager at SOS Electronic, points out that these instruments are truly about giving you rock-solid accuracy. They are purpose-built for high-stakes environments where getting fast, repeatable results is non-negotiable. Whether you are deep in research and development or handling equipment maintenance, these compact benchtop units just feel natural to use. What models are currently available in this series? The lineup includes the UDS 500, a 5.5-digit model with a basic DC accuracy of 0.015%. There is also a version called UDS 500-G, which adds a GPIB interface. If you need even higher precision, the flagship UDS 600 offers a 6.5-digit display and an outstanding basic DC accuracy of 0.0075%. Every model comes standard with USB and LAN interfaces, making remote control and data transfer seamless. In practice, this means your daily workflow becomes much faster. For instance, notice the clever triple measurement display. It allows you to view DC, AC, and statistics simultaneously. Depending on your setup, this ability to monitor multiple values at once cuts down on the time spent toggling through menus. When it comes to versatility, this series delivers high precision and flexible integration. You get an impressive bandwidth of 100 kHz, a maximum current of 10 amperes, and a maximum voltage of 1000 volts. Data logging is equally effortless. You can save data directly to an external USB stick or transfer it to a computer. While the data transfer rate reaches up to 10 samples per second, the internal reading speed clocks in at an impressive 200 readings per second. Another great feature for quality control is limit testing. The device offers programmable test functions with visual and audible alerts. If a limit is violated, the display dynamically changes color from green to red, giving you an instant pass or fail signal. Finally, for those working with rack systems, Rohde Schwarz offers an optional rack mount adapter. This space-saving solution allows you to mount 2 units side by side, which is ideal for organized production benches where space is at a premium. Selected models of this series are already in stock at SOS Electronic and ready for your projects. The full technical article is available on our website. To wrap it up, these benchtop multimeters bring a new level of efficiency, precision, and clarity to modern engineering labs. Whether you need a reliable daily workhorse or an ultra-precise instrument for critical verification, this series is ready to deliver. You can find full technical specifications and more articles at www.soselectronic.com. We are your reliable partner in electronics. Thank you for listening.